Put that back. Yeah, just put it back. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that... I live in a box. Choose something else. I don't get it. Ow! Nothing is safe. Oh my god. You have more? Yeah, that'll work, that'll work.
Holler at you, buddy.
Nothing is safe. I'm being liquidated. Ouch! Choose something else. Aye! What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I live in a box. You have more? Time out! Ow! Oh, God! Oh! Oh! Oi! Oh, please, God, no, please! There's nothing sacred. Enough! Oh, God! That's not right. What are we doing now? Read the directions! Read the directions! I don't get it! I know a psychologist! Time out! Ow! Make it stop! Stop! Oh my god! Make it stop! Oh please, stop! No, please! You like to share? Ooh. I know a psychologist! I'm a pacifist! That's not good. That's not right. Thanks, sunshine. Yam! No! Ah! Ow! Stop! Enough! No! No, not that. No! Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. So... No. Choose something else. Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay. That's not good. Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. I'm gonna check out some of your other apps, alright?
That's exotic. That's exotic.
I'm dying! I'm unarmed! I no match for you! Truce, truce! Time out, time out! Truce, truce! I don't like sharp or hard things. So... that's just fine. Incisions, incisions. Nothing is safe. No! Oh my god! Stop! The buddy-o-matic, it slices, it dices. Don't pop out my stuffing! That's not right. Do you know how to apply a tourniquet? Oh, this is a slice of life. I feel nothing. I don't get it. No. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay.